Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Customer Experience series where Akshay and I dive into the world of technology and everything else. My name is Vishali Delani and I work as a senior customer experience strategist with Conabus. My passion lies in integrating emotions in the world of technology, and I'll allow Akshay to introduce himself.
My name is Akshay Surya. I'm a composable architect. I've been working in this industry for a long time. Today, we'll be talking about ways to reducing costs in your MarTech stack. And Vishali, what do you think that is, that it means, and how does it impact the business?
I think it's every company and business's favorite topic. it's a year-round topic. Normally we have seasonal conversations and seasonal needs, but this is an all-time business need. And I think in the most simplest way I can explain and say it means reducing costs of your architecture systems and your tech. It's to be able to understand what's working, which tools working to meet business goals. And usually this happens at the time when companies are reevaluating their yearly costs, are understanding if their business aligns with their technological needs. And that's what is the focus for today. What do you think as a business? I know you work and help a lot of consulting organizations and businesses a lot on this. What do you think? Why is it so important for organizations?
Yeah, I mean, the way I look at it is if you save costs in one part of your business, you can use it for strategic initiatives, right? So if I end up saving X amount of dollars by streamlining a process or
Hmm.
using my technology better and reduce the amount of technology I use, or use the right technologies the right way, make it more efficient, I save costs, and that cost can be used for a personalization initiative or a marketing initiative or meet a business goal in terms of sales or revenue. So that's the way it affects the business in my mind. And then from a tech perspective, the best way to see it is it's not cutting costs isn't really the way I would put it. It's more of figuring out what is redundant, how can we make sure that things are used the right way. Maybe it's too complex, maybe we need to make it simplify or use like a low code no code solution or something like that instead of a custom piece of technology which is taking up too much time to maintain. So I think from a tech perspective, it's to look at efficiencies and then
Hmm.
help that process be more effective and save cost in the meantime. And again, from a tech team perspective, you get to buy new toys if you save money on some, right? So like I'm curious though, from a marketer's perspective, how would you see this?
Normally I would think, and a lot of people have this assumption, is that why does it matter to us as marketers? But
Yeah.
actually, it does, because if you don't have the right toy to play with, how are you going to understand what works and what doesn't? So, whether you can have 10 different things, one to send emails, one to collect, create forms, one for content management, one for omni channel, it's a lot to deal with. And then you can't juggle data very well. So I think by reducing MarTech costs and just understanding what the education of stack is so important for marketers to understand what are we using, why are we using, is it really efficient, what kind of returns are we getting from it, and based on that, reevaluating and saying, Why don't we streamline the workflows and understand which are more efficient systems that align to business goals and marketing needs for the year, or what aligns with our customers. And lastly, the less dependency on you guys. Honestly, we want freedom and autonomy to do whatever we want without the need of developers kind of like intervening every little thing and saying, oh, it's going to take X amount of time to do it. We're like, we don't have that time. We want speed to market. So I think that allows us through the right channels of Stack.
Yeah, I mean, I think a key takeaway from this is making smarter technology choices, right? Like, so if you streamline your thing, your technology stack, simplify it, pay for only what you need. If there's a piece of software where you get 70% out of it and
Hmm.
30% of it is really causing a lot of churn and a lot of process overhead, find something which works better and find a way that your teams are working really, really well, whereby maximizing on your technology investment. I think that's the most important part. It's evaluation more than anything else, and I'm sure companies can find this. Hopefully, this was useful. especially.
I had one more thing to just add
Sure,
on very, very
go ahead.
quickly. Sorry. And I think I just want to add on and say that while many companies can't do this internally, that's why they take the help of right strategic partners in place to kind of help them evaluate and recommend what works well and what doesn't. And we're here for you. Cool. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today.